Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to turn off call notifications on Telegram. If you're someone who finds incoming call alerts distracting or just prefers to keep things quiet, this quick guide will help you set Telegram to silence calls completely. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu button. This will open up a side panel where you'll see several options to manage your account and preferences. From here, select Settings. Inside Settings, scroll through until you find Notifications and Sounds. This is the section where all the customization for alerts, tones, and vibrations are located. Tap on it to access more detailed options. Once inside, scroll down until you reach the Calls section. This is where Telegram lets you manage how incoming calls notify you. You'll see different sound settings available here, but what we need to adjust is the tone itself. Tap on Ringtone. When the list of available ringtones opens up, scroll and choose the silent option. By picking this, you're effectively preventing Telegram from playing any sound when you receive a call. That means no more ringtone interruptions popping up in the middle of whatever you're doing. And that's it. You've successfully turned off call notifications. From now on, whenever someone calls you on Telegram, it will come through silently, letting you decide whether or not to answer without being disturbed by a ringtone. This setting works great if you want to keep Telegram messages active but don't want calls to break your focus. It's simple, quick, and you can always come back and change it again if you want sound alerts in the future. Now you know exactly how to silence call notifications on Telegram. Give it a try and enjoy a quieter, more focused experience with your app.